So there was a question on number 22 on page 574. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that problem. We want to find the surface area of this cone. So looking back here, the surface area of the cone is the area of a base, which is a circle. So that's pi r squared, plus the lateral or surface area, which is pi r l, L being the slant height, not the height of the cone. So here's number 22. So we have our surface area is pi r squared plus pi r l. All right, we know that the radius is 64, but notice that we do not know the slant height. In problems like this, you have to look at this cross section as a right triangle with one side being the A, the other side being the B, and the hypotenuse being the C. Then we'll use the Pythagorean theorem, A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and this is how we find the slant height. So let's go ahead and do that. We've got 64 squared plus 60 squared will equal C squared, or which is our slant height, L. So I'm just using these guys here. So let's go ahead and grab our calculadora. And we have, let's clear that out. I've got 64 squared plus 60 squared, and I get a total of 7,696. That's what L squared is. 7696 is L squared. So to find L, I'm going to square root this number. The way we do that is we do square root, pop in the answer. You have your answer key here. And so we get 87.7, let's say. So L, the slant height, is about 87.7, and this unit is in centimeters. So now that we know the L, and we know the radius is 64, R is equal to 64 centimeters, we can just pop these into our formula and plug and chug. So we're going to have pi times 64 squared plus pi times 64 times L, 87.7. And let's go ahead and round our pi off to 3.14. So I'm just going to do 64 squared times 3.14. And it never hurts to enter, right, to get that. Then I'm going to add on to that 3.14 times 64 times 87.7. And we enter that, and we get about 30,485.6. And that's, yep, that matches with the answer in the book. So 30,486 if we rounded it up, and that would be square centimeters. Surface area is always in square centimeters. I hope this helped.